Once again, welcome friends. Today we are going to talk about a new program, and in this program we will be drawing a circle with a text, and that text it will be inside the circle. So how to write that code in C? So let's see that. So here is first line comment. So I have written comment here. It is describing about the program circle with the text within. So here is stdio.h header file. Next is a conio.h next header file. Next is a graphics for circle. We don't need this docs.h right now. After that, we need two variables for this graphics programs for GDriver and Gmod. GDriver it detects the driver using detect keyword, and next is initgraps. It initializes the graphics given in this path. Inside TC there is BGI. So after that we draw a circle here, 150 x value, 150 y value, and here is 80, it is radius, and we are going to put a test using one function, that is Outtextxy. So what it does there, it display text in particular location. This 100 it is x value, this 120 it is y value. So we have to while displaying this we have to coordinate this value and the value of circle, this x and y. Then we can see this test inside the circle, and we have to put those tests here with this function Outtextxy, and we have used setcolor to change the color of text we have written here, and after that we have to close the graph. So let's run it. So output it looks like this one. We can see text, this is circle, it is inside the circle, and the color of text it is being green. So this is how it works here. Thank you friend for watching and for being with me. Once again we'll meet in next video. Have a good day.